Hi guys, hope you're all safe and well with the current time. Just a quick video from us here at Kuda just to let you know where we are, what we're doing and what we have been doing for the last few weeks since we partially closed at the end of March, and just to bring you up to date really. So I've seen a lot of businesses that are starting to phase open, and I feel like it's time that we sort of explain our position as well. Before we get to that though, I do just want to say a massive heartfelt thank you to all of the key workers who are keeping this country moving, caring for us, keeping food in our supermarkets and subsequently on our plates, and everything else involved in essential work. What you guys are doing and the sacrifices you're making personally, you know, the hours you're doing, not seeing your families and that sort of stuff, it really means a lot. I know there's a lot of people that have said thank you, and I know that, you know, it's not just us that appreciate you, but this is my opportunity to be on camera personally and actually say thank you. Really, thank you very much. And I know Kuda as well and our colleagues, we all feel the same and really appreciate your time and your efforts and everything. And it's not just truck drivers, it's not just the NHS, it's everyone, you know, all of the little things that are done in all of the essential roles, whatever it may be. It is appreciated, and thank you very much for that. So, end of March, we did take the decision to partially close, and we've kept on an essential warehousing operation where we've managed to keep a twice weekly dispatch operating for orders that have been placed through our website or our sales team who I have been on the phone or on email, and we've been managing to support the industry, the parts that are needed. So that's been running really well. I do want to say thank you to our distribution partners on that. FedEx has been very, very helpful in ensuring that we can do contactless collections from our warehouses and also contactless deliveries as well for our customers. So thank you, FedEx, if you are watching, and also our pallet distribution partners as well. We've you've been extremely patient with us where we have had to sort of wait because we haven't got the staff. If you have had to wait when you're distributing into us or delivering into us, I should say, thank you very much. We have worked as hard as we can to get those things unloaded as quickly as we possibly can and keep everyone safe. So again, thank you for that. And also our suppliers as well. Thanks for keeping us sort of stocked on some things. I know there's been a lot of demand on certain items, but it seems that we've managed to keep up. And you guys have managed to keep up as well. So thank you very much. That warehousing operation is obviously going to continue, as is our sales and support staff via phone and email. That's pretty normal, or we hope that it's been normal for most of our customers. What we have done though is we have now put into place an operational procedure where we're going to be able to phase back some of our manufacturing. And by phasing some of our manufacturing back, also keeping our staff socially distant from each other is obviously extremely important. You know, that comes, their health and safety and family's health and everything comes above everything else that we do. So we've sort of carefully planned the way that our production is going to operate. It's not going to be at full capacity. Like a lot of the truck factories, you know, DAF, MAN, Mercedes, Scania, they're all running, but they're all running at reduced capacity. And we're obviously nowhere near as big as them, but we are following suit. You know, we can understand how in certain items that we manufacture, it's just not possible to keep the staff and the workers apart at 2 meters at all times. So, you know, we need to make sure that we have in place procedures. We have obviously got the PPE, we've obviously got all of the anti-bac and the wipes and the hygiene procedures is probably the posh word to say that, but that's all in place. So I am pleased to say that from Monday, May the 4th, we are going to start that phase back. So there will be a production running. I can't guarantee on some of the lead times on some of the items because obviously it will be done on a basis where we try and meet the demands of our customers. And there are obviously customers out there that do have vehicles within build with us, and we will obviously make sure as quickly as possible to get those vehicles moving again. And to the end user, you know, we are supporting the haulage business in that way, and people are screaming out for vehicles at the moment. So, you know, we hope to be able to proceed through very quickly with those. And And then over the course of May and into June, we hope to sort of bring back our staff again safely, phasing up to a fully operational business, again in line with the industry requirements, or what's required, I should say, by the industry. So that's going to be happening. We will obviously keep you up to date should anything change. We're going to be monitoring very closely not only our own procedures, but also what the government advise. So should anything change, then obviously we'll update you on that following those changes. And you know, it seems to be that our industry there's a lot of people in our industry doing a similar thing. We haven't made the decision because it's what everyone else is doing. We've made the decision because we think it's correct for our business, and we're confident that we can keep our staff safe in that way. So, but to everyone else in our industry, even our competitors, I don't like to use that word, but some people do, you know, thank you for what everyone is doing. You know, we're all in it together. We are all trying to support each other through this time and helping our customers out. And I know I've personally had phone calls with people that, you know, who are really desperate for some stuff, and I've tried to distribute that work to other people who I know were operational, and I know that's happened vice versa to us as well. So thanks guys for that. Thank you for supporting everyone. It's all one big industry, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I haven't really got much more to tell you about what we're doing. I hope that soon we'll be able to get back to our Thank Truck It's Friday videos. This is obviously not an exciting video and not part of that series. I decided to not put it into that. But we have enjoyed doing those. Myself and Tom, our marketing manager, we have enjoyed very much of that, and they have been a hit with you guys as well. So thanks for you liking and supporting that on YouTube. If you haven't seen any of them and you are struggling for something to do at home perhaps, and want to just take a look at us trying to be serious on camera, then feel free. They're all on our YouTube channel. Just have a search for Kuda on YouTube and you should find us on there. In the meantime though, everything's there for you guys on our website. We are at the end of the phone. Please just give us a ring and we'll help the best we can. And really finally, it just leaves me to say thank you again. I know I've said thank you a lot this video, but again, thank you to the key workers and everything else. But really, to any of our staff that are watching, thanks for supporting us, and thanks for understanding the position that the business has had to take. You know, we do appreciate it's not easy for everyone, and you know, what we've done is there to ensure that there are jobs protected for all of our staff, and pleased to say that it's fine and everything's great. So thank you very much for that, and we'll see you all soon back at work hopefully. And yeah, thanks ever so much guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry if I've rambled. Stay safe, and I'll see you again soon.